Start.
So, hi guys. Um, we are going to explore some of the voices and some of the rhythms in this keyboard. And first of all, I would like to start with India's famous bhajan using the voice sitar. So, okay, let's get started. Wow, that's amazing. So, let's explore furthermore and let's get into the piano section of this keyboard. Yeah. Well, that was amazing. It is grand piano. Let's try some melodic voices. Let's go to mellow piano. And yes. Yeah, that is okay. It has some bass, and overall the experience is good. So, let's once again dive back into the Indian rhythms. Here I got Bhangra Type 1 style. So let's see. Wow, that is amazing. So, I've got another rhythm in line. It is named Garba Type 1. So, let's hear how it sounds. Yeah, well, that turned out to be great. So, we know that guitar is one of the major and most used instruments all around the world. So, let's see what this keyboard got. So, I have the jazz guitar type one here. Yeah, so yeah, well, the treble is amazing, but I'm not sure about the bass. I think it lacks bass volume or the dense, I guess. So next we are going to explore the piano voices. I would like to start with electric piano. This is the fourth type electric piano. So let's see. So the guitar, comparing the guitar and electric piano, I feel like the electric piano has much dense bass and treble is better in guitar. So that is my opinion. Leave your opinion in the comment sections. Thank you.